The Dare to Care campaign is an employee-driven initiative designed to help remind us all to be kinder and more respectful with each other, both off and on the campus. Donated by an anonymous donor, the kindness tree was placed on the wall between Kamaki A and the Career and Transfer Center and the Plaza Gallery. This kindness tree mural beautifies our campus and creates a visual reminder of the Be Kind message.
Kindness really just involves doing something for other people.
Kindness means to me that people out there actually care and would actually give their time to put effort into being kind if you're having a bad day or anything of the sorts. That's kindness.
It was great to see the EMCC community come together to create a symbol of kindness that reminds each and every one of us to dare to care. Be on the lookout for future Dare to Care activities.